Yes, sir. Complete.
So when we are doing
Please complete.
this, I think you said just now there cannot be smoke without there cannot be fire without
Fire.
smoke or smoke without fire, whatever it is. Now the first thing is they have succeeded in giving the impression that dal mein kuch kala hai. This is what is their motive. They want to create suspicion against our leaders. They want to bring pressure on our leaders so that we succumb to their pressure and surrender. This is what exactly BJP wants. It looks like. So I think we need to go slow on this. We did not go jump to any conclusion. Let the time. Ajit Pawar should also get his right of replying to IT's whatever IT is saying. Ajit Pawar should get reasonable time for replying to all these allegations. I don't think we should jump to a conclusion and sabotage somebody's career so quickly. I think time will tell exactly what has gone wrong.
Let me ask you, therefore, in conclusion, but why has something gone wrong with Maharashtra? That this is a state where increasingly number of politicians are being found with disproportionate assets, where a number of politicians are facing serious charges both from the Enforcement Directorate and from the IT. Is it that Maharashtra is this, particularly Mumbai, is this Sone ki Nagri, which has been exploited, where we have seen these various scams? In the past also, Mr. Ajit Pawar has been accused in the irrigation scam. Then came the State Cooperative Bank. But not just Ajit Pawar. Across the board, several Maharashtra politicians have faced serious accusations of corruption. Is it simply because Maharashtra has so much of wealth, and that wealth has been exploited, particularly in real estate sector and the sugar mills, by the politicians, and now the chickens have come home to roost? That is the reality, which is why a former home minister is in jail today, accused of extortion and hafta, and your deputy chief minister is being accused of Benami properties. Is there something wrong with Maharashtra itself? Political culture of Maharashtra is corrupted, sir.
No, that is not the case. Some people want to grab Maharashtra's power, so they are very restless, uneasy. So at any cost, they want to defame our government. And that is why these raids, including IT to ED, everything is being used against our leaders. That is the cause. And why don't you see that no BJP leader has been raided? No other party leader, especially who are supporting BJP, are being raided. It is only and only MVA government leaders are being targeted. And is without any proof, if these things are happening. Now IT has raided. If they have found something, they should ask explanation from Ajit Pawar ji, and Ajit Pawar will definitely reply to all these allegations. I am sure. I am very confident Ajit Pawar will come out from all this very cleanly. I don't have any doubt about it. And I know how hardworking he is. And they want to sabotage, they want to disturb NCP, because NCP is the main party in Maharashtra who is against BJP. And that is why this is all happening against NCP.